Is your GMC Terrain's alarm randomly going off? The most frequent culprits are the hood liftgate switch, key fob battery, and overall system glitches. First, check the hood and liftgate switches for corrosion or misalignment. These switches signal if the hood or liftgate is open, and even a small amount of dirt can cause false alarms. If they look dirty, clean them and realign them. Then, replace the key fob battery, as a weak battery often sends erratic signals. The battery type is CR2032. Reprogramming may be required, especially after a battery change. Finally, a voltage drop can trigger the alarm. The battery should be 12.6 volt plus at rest. Use a multimeter to test continuity and voltage. Test continuity, resistance 1 ohm when closed. Regular cleaning of the switches and annual battery checks can prevent many issues. A software update via a dealership visit may be necessary to resolve intermittent alarm triggers, as recommended by GMC's technical service bulletins. When basic fixes don't resolve alarm issues, advanced troubleshooting is needed. The alarm system integrates with the vehicle's CAN bus and body control module. Problems often stem from water ingress or BCM firmware glitches that disrupt system signals. GMC provides over-the-air updates for BCM software in models from 2023 onward, accessible through the MyGMC app. For older models, a dealership visit is required to apply necessary software updates. Consider upgrading to aftermarket sensors equipped with built-in diagnostics for better reliability. Environmental factors like extreme weather can accelerate sensor failures, so be mindful of exposure. Remember, improper DIY repairs can void your warranty, so consult a professional when needed. As of 2025, GMC is introducing AI-enhanced diagnostics in the MyGMC app for predictive maintenance.